Whitney. Whitney. Yo, who that? I'm boyfriend, hide. I'm boyfriend, hide. Whitney, how we talk to Whitney? Nobody, wow, everything good? They get you? Yeah, man, me get you. I want. Me have to go to Axe go alone. And me know wear Axe. Hold on there. Brother, who is you? Yeah man. Looks like the room is pest free now. Looks like there's no more rats in the room now. Baby, me call the exterminator guy to kill the rat in our room. After me not have rat in my room. Hey boy. Now kill him. Watch ya. No stop this. Watch ya.
Where you carrying from me? Where you carrying from me?
I'm two.
Where you go?
What go on, brother? I'm so sad, man.